Best Discord servers for web developers and coding. Hi everyone, this is Kid and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will talk about some best Discord servers for web developers and coding for learning, networking, getting help, and growing as a developer. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. The first one is the Coding Den. The Coding Den server will help or will focus on general programming, career, and project help. So if you join the Coding Den, you will have well-organized channels for HTML, CSS, JavaScript, C++, Python, etc. So this will be great for pure code review and discussions. Here you will have a friendly environment for both beginners and pros. So you can search for the Coding Den. The second one will be Developer Hangout. It focuses on all areas of software and web development. And after you join this server, you will have an active community which will have channels for specific tech stacks such as Node.js, React, PHP, etc. So this will be good resource sharing and tech discussion server if you find the Developer Hangout. The third one is Dev Simplified Community. So search for Dev Simplified, and if you have a link to join it, you can join it. And this server focuses on front end, JavaScript, React, career help, etc. So if you join this server, it will be a practical help and also will help on developing the modern web stack as well. The next one will be Code Support. So search for Code Support and you can join this server as well. This server focuses on coding help and mentorship. So if you join this server, you will have a structured help by the programming language and also a strong mentorship culture and a clean moderation. The last one is Reactiflux. Search for Reactiflux and see if you can join the server. This server focuses on React, TypeScript, front-end engineering. So this server is officially recognized React server, direct access to senior devs and maintainers, and also high quality discussions. So this server covers a range of needs from beginner to advanced discussion, including open source and career development. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.